welcome back to my channel, and hello if you are new here. You may have recently seen my LV unboxing video of my new handbag. So I thought, why am I not telling you about my LV Keepall? I'm saying LV because I'm not French, and Louis Vuitton does not slip off my tongue unless I am pretty tipsy. So I'm just gonna call it LV, because in my Yorkshire accent I say Louis Vuitton, but when I'm trying to say it I say Louis Vuitton, which I know is wrong. So without further ado, I thought I would do a review of this gorgeous travel bag for you, as I'm sure people have questions and I've now had it for a fair few years. So without further ado, get cozy, get comfortable, and if you haven't already, it would mean so much if you could hit the subscribe button, and of course come say hey on Instagram at emtalks. I would love to have you as part of the family. Let's go. This is the Keepall 55, and I picked this up from Harrods in 2018. Yes, there are watermarks on it, we will talk about that soon. As you can see, it is an absolute gorgeous travel bag, and it is the kind of traditional LV travel bag that is so loved and so iconic. So of course, I went and ruined it. This is a duffel style bag, and it was £1,160. Now, it's that kind of bag that people seem to love when it turns vintage, and also it's the kind of bag that particularly during Christmas time it sells out. I actually had to text someone at Louis Vuitton who works there in Harrods, and she told me when it came back in stock. So how did I get these watermarks on it? Honestly, I am disgusted. I was basically moving house. Unfortunately, my bathroom flooded and this was on the floor, and this is what happens. If anyone knows how I can fix this, please let me know. Quite a few people did message me on Instagram, and apparently it is fixable, but yeah, it doesn't look so great, does it? So this bag has pretty much been an icon since the 1930s, and I absolutely love it. I definitely wish I got one with wheels, and I think my next LV bag would be with wheels. You can see this is like a serious bicep workout. You can obviously hold it like this, or you've got the strap. I actually do use the strap. I actually think the strap is great. It's a really nice thick strap, and to say I've had this since 2018, the wear and tear is fine. I think these bags tend to get better with age. It comes with your little luggage tag, which I actually haven't done anything to it, but you can actually get this engraved for free, and obviously you can stick your details inside it. I probably should have done that. Comes with the little lock, and I have the keys inside here. I mean, the keys are pretty small and rubbish, so probably best keeping those in your purse. Oh, it's very well connected in terms of the way the strap sits. The compartments and the mechanisms are very high quality, and the leather strap is nice and thick. So I feel like it definitely holds a lot of stuff. So this is designed for the savvy traveler, it says, someone who likes to fit, like, say, a week's worth of stuff in a bag. Now, I am telling you, I'm never going to fit a week's worth of stuff in a bag. I'm a suitcase girl through and through. However, this is great for a weekend trip. Great if you are packing the car to take it somewhere. Great for a staycation. And I actually love that it kind of just keeps everything nice in there. It's just a nice bag to keep stuff in. I mean, unfortunately, it doesn't have the gold buttons at the bottom, like the gold feet, and I do look for that in a bag, but it is one of the more affordable LV travel bags. It also doesn't have any pockets inside, which always disappoints me when that's the case. I wouldn't say it's been finished to the highest standard inside, but you know what? You're just gonna throw stuff inside it. I actually kept the dust bag, and I keep that inside it, and I pop all of my stuff inside the dust bag. The size is just absolutely lovely, and like I say, it gives you a great workout when you are carrying it around, which is why it's better to just whack it over like that, and then at least you can carry it better and it's stronger. I mean, it's literally like doing a workout, but generally I would just hold it like this. I feel like I hate putting it on the floor because it doesn't have the feet, so that is kind of the negative about it, but it is a really nice, affordable, in terms of LV bag for travel. So which bags do I have my eye on next? Let's look at the other travel bags. My dream travel bags are the Horizon Soft Duffel 65, which is 2,060, or the 55, which is 1,860. You can also get the Horizon 50 for 1,860. The reason I like these bags is because obviously they have wheels on them. I think they're new season, and it's really expensive. There's no way that I would get one and put it inside an aeroplane. It would have to kind of go up on a cabin, or just basically not be handled and put underneath an aeroplane. I feel like you're asking for it to get stolen, but it would be great if you were wheeling it to like a weekend trip. or if you're doing like a nice European trip on say the Eurostar or something and it was above your head, I definitely wouldn't want to leave it on like a British train down the aisle because it would absolutely get stolen. Normal suitcases often get stolen, let alone an LV one, but purely because obviously this is quite heavy and is designed as more of a weekend bag. For a longer trip it would be nice to have a wheelie one, but like I say, it would have to be stored above me for safety. They're just some absolutely gorgeous ones. I just think this bag, all in all, has been amazing. It's nice to have that touch of designer when I am on my kind of staycations, and I just think it looks great. It goes really nicely with outfits as well. You know, if you're kind of like traveling to the Cotswolds and you want to take it, it's just beautiful. It looks great in the trunk of my car as well, and I'm super impressed with how well this has lasted. I'm super impressed with the quality. Such nice leather, it feels so hard wearing, and it's been bashed around my car. It's been on lots of trips with me, and apart from the watermarks, it's fine. We were doing so well until that happened, and that was the flooding fault. I've never actually taken this in major rain, so it's been fine when like speckles of rain have gone on it, and the actual leather itself is very hard wearing. You can get this in loads of different colours. One of my friends actually bought her boyfriend the male version when we were in Harrods, and I will link some below if you want to have a look at them as well. I love the gold parts just because I'm massively into gold. I feel like silver is very cold. I think that's why I'm so drawn to Louis Vuitton, because everything, I said I wasn't going to say it and then I kept saying it, please don't mock my accent, and then everything is gold, which I love. It just feels a lot warmer. But all in all, super impressed with this bag. It's been in my life since 2018. I've had lots of wear out of it. Would be much better if it had feet on the bottom because I'm not putting this baby down on the wet ground. Obviously quite heavy depending on how much you pop in it. Great for little staycations, nights over, and great to like pop on top of trains and stuff, not on top of them, but you know, on top of the compartment. Just a lovely little bag to, oh, it's not little, it's big, to add to your collection. You can also get a smaller version if you're wanting a smaller version, but I do not pack light. I'm not a light packing queen, so I was never going to get a smaller version. And for LV, it is reasonably priced. Next on the list is definitely one of the wheelie ones. However, will I take it anywhere? I would be watching it with a very watchful eye. So there we have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Come say hi on Instagram and Twitter at emtalks, and let me know if you have this bag, if you have any designer travel bags, if you have your eye on any. Big love, guys.